Hi, I'm Kaylee Gimbler, and I interned with Installation Outsource. Installation Outsource is a company that is in charge of measuring windows for drapes to be installed. Once the measurements are done and collected, they're sent to a third party that actually makes the product, whether it's drapes, curtains, or shutters. After that, Installation Outsource installs the product. Prior to all this, we go out to a hotel site and create showrooms. I'm the Assistant Operations Manager in San Antonio, Texas. Why did I choose this internship? Well, I knew it would be a challenge because it had a lot of aspects to it that I would have to quickly learn and adapt to. It involved customer service, delegating assignments, coordinating projects, safety protocols, accuracy in projects, and teamwork. Any small error could seriously affect the company. The information and data we collect in our projects is then turned over to another party that creates the products, so our job is very important and needs to be as accurate as possible. I also knew the internship was different and a bit out of my element. I want to work in the food industry, but this job is far from that. The process of getting my internship. I had applied to my internship and I had applied to many, aside from this one, and it took me about a year before I finally landed this opportunity. Andres Garza, the owner, interviewed me because he really had to get a feel for himself in person if who he's hiring and if I was a good candidate for the job. He accepts very large, high-end projects from hotels and large businesses that require a lot of trust, commitment, and hard work. We discussed my responsibilities for about an hour, and he took me around one of his current projects to give me a feel of what I would be doing and what I would be, my job would be with him. Things that I have learned. I've learned that balancing work life, family life, and church life is extremely important. If I spend too much time working, I will neglect my family and church, and the same goes for if I spend too much time in other areas of my life. I've learned that a lot of principles taught in church are also very helpful in the workforce. In church, we're taught to work hard, do our best, be honest, love one another, and be Christ-like, and I believe that if I use those principles in the workforce, I will be very successful and happy. Lastly, I learned that if you work hard, you will always gain something positive from it, and I definitely gained a lot of positive things from it. Future plans. I hope to have my own food business one day. The experience I've gained in my internship will be an asset to my future business one day. I also have my internship boss to refer to for help and guidance in my own endeavors. Advice. I think challenging yourself can be hard because we like to feel comfortable and familiar with the things we're doing. However, I've learned at this internship that I can do hard things and that I've never done before. It's not scary like I thought it would be, but it's actually fun and exciting to realize what you're capable of. I also learned that it is okay to do an internship that is a bit different than what your dream job is. I don't want to work in the drapery and blind business, but I knew that there'd be a lot of business aspects to the job that would really help me in my job one day. I also learned that an internship is a great way to learn. Ask lots of questions and you'll be surprised at how much you learn. Lastly, have fun. If you're not having fun, then you're going to be miserable, not only at work, but outside of work, and that does not sound fun to me. But yeah, just have fun.